1401. That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid it's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know
C-3PO.
you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before.
Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Now what? Pod race. I've always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We choke you! Pod racer. It gives us twice the power! We won! Now come on, Potter, let's get out of here! What transmission?
This is Cassian Andor with an urgent mission from the rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back.
Right now? But
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you.
transmission. In Mandalorian.
Star Tours, a battle is brewing and we can no longer stand in the shadows. We need your help.
Normally, I would gladly be of service,
Head
but
to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. This mission is dangerous. Be strong and courageous. This is the way. Spit that out.
how do I don't like the look of this? Yes, I do believe these are purple. Purple are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Wars. 2 against 1 here. Good use of mouth.
How will it ever end? Otto, no! We did it!
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
ST-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed.